Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system actually has a discrete GPU and that its drivers are up to date. This prevents weird fallbacks. Once done, open the NVIDIA or AMD control panel and create a specific application profile for Minecraft. Point the profile at Java. Exe inside your Minecraft launcher's runtime folder and set the preferred GPU to high performance or the discrete GPU. This forces the OS to prefer the GPU for that process rather than the integrated chip. Next, make sure the Minecraft launcher points to the Java executable you just adjusted. Edit the profile to use that Java exe path so the control panel rule applies. Then update JVM arguments to allocate adequate RAM, for example XMS2G, XMX6G, and only disable specific Java rendering flags if instructed by mods. Most modern setups don't need DSUN. Java 2D. D3D equals false. Also switch your operating system power plan to high performance and disable battery saver so the GPU stays active while you play. Finally, run Minecraft and immediately check GPU usage in Task Manager, MSI Afterburner, or the GPU's overlay to confirm activity. You should see GPU load rise when you enter a world. If the GPU stays idle, reassign Java exe in the control panel, reinstall drivers, or enable Windows Game Mode to prioritize resources. If your laptop has a hardware MUX or an Optimus-like switch, use it to force discrete GPU. This hardware option resolves most persistent offloading problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.